It's Friday. But nobody wants to work for some reason. How long have we been sitting here? Like 20? We pulled up on the property 20 minutes ago. These fools don't want to work. I don't want to work. So, hot. Really hot, man. We got the fourth property that we're on. We got one after that, and then the mansion cul-de-sac. So, they're so excited. Yep. I'm happy. It's Friday. If I get this list done today, which is easy, I don't have to work this weekend. I'm not moving anybody's house this weekend. I think I'm just gonna relax and have my grandson's birthday this weekend. He turns 5. So, good vibes all day. All right, boys. Would you mess with that? Would you mess with that? My client was like, yeah, if the bees are in the way, you can just move them. They shouldn't mess with you. I think I'll pass on messing with the bees today. I mean, they're cute and all, but I ain't trying to like go touch them. Nah. The objective today is to get this stuff done quickly, professionally, safely, and make it all beautiful, like always. It's gonna be a good day. Let's do it. Come on. Bee stings. Bee stings can be bad for some people. They don't really bother me unless they're yellow jackets. Yellow jackets tear me up pretty good, make me swell real quick. I've definitely had my fair share of being lit up out here in the past. Probably much like plenty of you gentlemen have also. It's not enjoyable, but I would rather take the beat down of some bees and put my young guys in jeopardy, not knowing if they're allergic to them or not. I know I'm not allergic to them, just, you know, better safe than sorry. There's another hive over here that I gotta hit. They weren't bad, and I probably won't have to hit them every visit. This is only our second trip out to this property. So we're still learning it, and we still got a lot of work to do here. It's gonna be an enjoyable place to accomplish all the projects he has for us. But yeah, in my career, I have definitely rushed a few crew members to the hospital with allergies to bees. And if you're allergic to them and you get hit by yellow jackets, wasps, hornets, honeybees, you're gonna need some assistance real quick. And man, if you're allergic to them, if you're out here doing this stuff, please have an EpiPen with you in the truck. EpiPen, they're expensive, but they're worth your life. All right, I'm done. Back to mowing. Well, nothing got me. Nothing got me, so I guess the bees are good, right? Beautiful wooded lot. Here's the front of the property here where we come in the driveway. That's the ditch line against the road. The boys have manicured both sides of the ditch line nicely. There it is. Now this patch back there that's all overgrown, eventually that's going to be worked over and wildflowers will be planted there. It'll be beautiful. So let's roll down here and see where the boys are weed eating. This is a nice little sitting area beside the creek that we were asked to keep manicured and kept down for the family to hang out at. Not have to worry about snakes and ticks and tall grass. It's so beautiful, peaceful. So how do we go about pricing a property this size with odd features that we have to take care of? And you know, the trails don't have to be upkept every week, but I'm going to roll through them and check them, make sure there's no large obstacles. How do we go about trying to price this thing? Talked about my hourly rates a couple of videos back and what my target numbers are, and basically I just have an hourly rate for right now as we're feeling the whole property out. And it's 3 of us out there. It took us 2 hours, and I just go on the basic hourly rate for my 3-man crew, just like a landscape job would be bid at. Oh yeah, boys. Had to trim off some branches using the turf tractor for a ladder. So it's much better now. It was dragging the trucks and cars from coming through, so eventually we got to do this whole roadway kind of cleanup area, but we'll get to that at a different time of the year. Less foliage and leaves clean up in the fall after they drop, maybe winter time. Anyways, clean this stuff up. Nice little set of this guy. Alright, time to go into the woods. Oh no, bunch of spider webs, I know that one. Spider webs. So going through the Spiderweb trails, I am not picking up debris with my mower at all. I do not have the blades on. I do have to come back here and keep this manicured for the walking path. A few videos back, 2 weeks ago, I highly recommend you come watch that video and watch the steel hedge trimmers do their work back here in this wood line. And then the skag just eats all that trimming up like it wasn't even there. Good video. Jump off the mower, move this little bit of debris here that's strangely in my way for no reason at all. But yeah, guys, this property, we hung out at the truck when we got there for like 20 minutes. We weren't charging the customer for sitting in our truck for 20 minutes. We clock in when we start working, and we clock out when we're done and we're leaving the property. Today we clocked in at 12:30 and we left the property at 2:30. There's plenty of work on this property to not have to even think about it, milking the clock. Trust me. We are trying to get this stuff done as quick as possible, but thoroughly and professionally at the same time. But speed is important. Client doesn't want us wasting time. I don't want to waste time. I'm trying to get to my next properties. It's all cleaned up now. The house part around here and the weed eating, the mowing, the cleaning up everything around the house took about an hour to do with the 3 of us. and the driveway areas and that sitting area took us about an hour also. So, not a bad day. Here we are at the cul-de-sac. I'm not going to talk anymore tonight. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the POV footage of the 3 mansions here. Just nice, slow, easy going drive through the mansions after we have finished them for the day. Hope y'all have a good weekend. Hope everybody had a wonderful week. You'll see me again soon. LA Landscape style. Alright, well, that's a wrap for the week. Not much happened today, so there wasn't much to talk about. There wasn't much to film. It was just a day of mowing grass, guys. A good Friday mowing grass. Everything got accomplished, and I don't know what else we'll get into, but ain't much else going on, so y'all be good.